Hi, this is John with WTI, and I gotta tell, I smelled this from a friend of mine the other day, and I was just passing by, and I was like, what are you wearing?" So I asked her, and she told me that she was wearing one of the best fragrances or dupes that you can find in the perfumery world. So this is the Violet Bouquet by Afnan. So the other day, which it was actually yesterday, that I showed this to another one of my friends. They fall in love with it, and I just love this perfume. It's sweet, but it's soft at the same time with a little bit of floral and amber to the side. So right now I'm smelling, and I was like, "Whoa, this just smells awesome." So you would use this for a good occasion at the end of the day, a special dinner. So I own a business that I actually decant this bottles, and this just one of the most requested ones, to be honest. So if you're looking for a perfume, not a perfume, a perfume that is gonna work great for you, and you're just gonna smell different because I know that not everybody has this. This is awesome. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.